This is the birthday box by Next. It is still on sale at time of filming. Yeah, let's get in here to see what goodies we've got to play with. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So I was looking on Next website and I saw a beauty box on there that I fancied. I haven't got a box off there for a while because I'm trying to be more conscious of what I am buying, because I now have a lot of beauty products. And their birthday box caught my eye. It's got some brands in there that I really like, so I got it. So let's get it unboxed. Yeah, if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my little YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. But yeah, here is the box. At time of filming, it is still available online. I will link it down below in the information box for you if you are interested in purchasing it for yourself. So this is inside. We do get an edit card with this one, which is fab. It's got details on all the products in here, which we will be looking at in a moment. There you go. There is a quick sneak peek for you. So let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Like I said, this box cost £20 and it is worth over £60. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Iconic London, and it is a lip plumping gloss. It just says, for lips so sweet, pucker up with Iconic London's lip plumping gloss in shades Tickle Your Fancy or Feeling It. This non-sticky high shine gloss is infused with collagen supporting formulas, so you can create a defined and voluminous skin pout. Yeah, cool. So yeah, this is one of the brands that I saw in the box that I really wanted. The shade that I've got is Tickle Your Fancy. So there it is there. It's looking very orangey. I've got a lip balm on now. Let me just take this off and we'll pop this on, why not? So there it is on. It does look very nice when you put just a little bit on. If you overdo it and put too much on, it's too orangey. I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. That is what it looks like. And I don't like that shade when it's on like that. Yeah, so definitely for me, and anyway, I will be putting this on just a little bit at a time because the colour is actually really nice if you just put a little bit on. So with it being a plumping gloss, I can feel that it's minty. I can feel that it's really cooling on the lips. I can't feel that it is actually plumping my lips though. So yeah. It's a nice lip gloss, but I don't think it's a plumping one. It's a bit minty. Second product in the box is this. So yeah, this is by the brand Elemis. Love Elemis, and this is their papaya enzyme peel. Obviously not a full size. This is just 15 mils, so it's a little deluxe size, and it just says, we don't know about you, but no one wants a lackluster skin on their birthday, right? We'll have no fear. This rinse-off exfoliator infused with natural fruit enzymes gently dissolves dead skin cells whilst leaving the skin looking and feeling revitalised and radiant. Yeah, fab. Is this sealed? It certainly is. I think I've had this before, but I don't think I've used it. I may still have it in my drawer. But yeah, I saw the Elemis brand. This was one of the main reasons why I got this box. Yeah, can't wait to try it. I am loving exfoliating at the moment. Maybe too much actually, but yeah. Elemis. Third item here is one of my favourite mascaras out there, and it is this. This is by the brand Benefit, and it's They Are Real Magnet Extreme Lengthening Mascara. So this is just a little mini travel one, and this just says unlock your lashes of your dreams with the Benefit They're Real Mascara, designed to draw out lashes to extreme lengths. Wiggle the wand from root to tip, flutter and go. Yeah, so I already know I love this. The wand is my kind of wand. It's plastic, it's spiky. I find that this really grabs my lashes and actually does something with them, because my lashes are so stubborn. But yes, I'm really glad I've got this to add to my collection. The fourth item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Nuxe, and this is a multi-purpose dry oil. You can use it on your face, your body, your hair. It just says, let French beauty brand Nuxe revitalize your daily routine with this luxurious dry oil, infused with a delicate blend of plum, sesame botanical oil and soothing notes of neroli. This oil is designed to nourish and moisturize your skin, hair and body, give it a beautiful glow. So yes, I've had this in the past. I think I may have one in my drawer. This is gorgeous. The item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Nails Inc, and it's a nail varnish. This is in the shade Keeping It Real in Kensington. It just says your birthday is the perfect excuse to get a fresh new manicure, which is why we can't get enough of this shimmery pink shade. Keeping It Real in Kensington by Nails Inc, quick drying and designed to strengthen talons. This colour is simply every nail lover's dream, and yes, it's gorgeous. I think I have it in this shade already, and it is an absolute gorgeous shade. I think I'm gonna have to paint my nails with that because it's just so pretty. Sixth item we have is this, but it also comes with a seventh item, which is this. How happy does this make me? We have a matching set. This is also one of the reasons why I wanted this box, most definitely. So this is by the brand Grow Gorgeous, and this is the Volume Bodifying Shampoo and matching conditioner. So for the shampoo, it just says, want to know a secret? Great hair starts when you lather up in the shower. Level up your hair care game with this Grow Gorgeous Bodifying Shampoo, designed to volumize and restore locks. Simply work into wet hair, rinse thoroughly and follow with the conditioner. And then the conditioner says hydrate, nourish and repair your strands with this Grow Gorgeous Bodifying Conditioner, designed to moisturize and boost your hair, smooth through the trestles and leave for 1 to 2 minutes before thoroughly rinsing. Yeah, you get 50 mils in here, which is a great little size, so you can try it out a few times to see what you think, to see if you want to commit to buying the full size. Great for your travel bag and so on. Right guys, so this is the birthday box by Next. What do you think? Personally, I'm actually really loving this box. Obviously I had a good look and had a look what was in it before I bought it. I'm loving the brands in here. I'm loving the products in here. I personally think this was definitely worth the £20 that I paid for it. Yeah, definitely no regrets here. As I say, this is still on sale at time of filming. Hopefully when this video is posted, it is still on sale, so if you fancy it, click the link down below. It's not affiliated in any way, and yeah, head on over and treat yourself. They have other beauty boxes on there as well. One of them might take your fancy. But yes, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.